Hello there, I'm Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to send dynamic videos through Mixmax. Okay, so let me make myself smaller here, put myself there in the corner, and okay. So as you can see, I have my videos already generated in my dynamic video campaign. So the process is very simple. I just need to go to Share Campaign right here, and then type Mixmax. And by making a click right here, you'll notice that what we're doing is basically copying the HTML code that will basically just make the thumbnail pop up in my email, right? So I'll just go into sequences, and it's only a matter of standing in the right place, like the place where we actually want the preview to come up. And I'll just go Command V or Control V, and then you'll see how this placeholder comes up. So by putting my mouse over it, I can just go and select small size. Let me do that one more time. Maybe best fit. Yeah, I would say like best fit is better. Okay, but you can always like drag it from here from the corner. Okay. Now, that said, you'll notice that, of course, this placeholder is empty, right? And here it explains like it will be replaced with the actual image once it's sent. So basically, the way that it works is that HTML code has logic and it's based on the email. So the right video will be sent to the right person based on the email. So the email is like the unique validator here. Okay. So as you can see, I've already included myself there with my email. And if I play that video, you'll notice that I have this outreach background. Okay. So what I'll do right now is simply go ahead and send a test email. And yep, so basically this is all that we need to do. The process is very simple. I'll just wait here maybe a couple of seconds. Let me pull this into the side, open my Gmail account, and then yeah, I've just got it right away actually. So let me show you. 0 minutes ago. So this is the thumbnail. People will be able to click here and then they'll be able to just open the video we created. And of course, everything that we see in this section was something that we built here in the landing page, right? So we have the three buttons, we have the calendar, everything comes up right there. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye bye.